getting so sleepy. Okay. Right now the trade uh has been 3x. Um the rules are, hope not entering these trades during the U.S. sessions, especially, either like 8:30 in the morning. I'm sorry, New York time, or like, in the afternoon. Really, just stay away from the U.S. at all. Um, get in, late after the U.S. sessions closed. Once it's probably, what time is this one? Well, this is Sunday, so it doesn't count. You can get on Sunday when it opens. That's fine. But afternoon U.S. session, that's not, especially when there's news release. If there's no news release, then that's fine. There were some examples where it went to 9x on a, like, the worst it can possibly do is happen to me one time, and I should have stayed in it. I got scared, got out, should have stayed in it, but it went 9x. Here it's gone 8 or 9. This one's 9. And see how this volatility was crazy, caused quick triggers. So, and then you also don't want to be after volatility is gone, like super low like this. You want it to be sort of in the gray areas, not just out of a red, but like you want a few just moments. Um, so I wanted to show you some examples. This one several times. I think this was an 8x. Right? I don't know. Well, hold on. Yeah, I think this was 8. Wait, that's off. So, uh, I think this is this the good one? Or no? Yeah, that was late in the afternoon. You said you don't want to do that. But anyway, so this would have triggered 1, 2, because that's miss. 1, 2, 3, and 4 didn't go back up. 5, 6, 7, 8, and then the ninth one. Okay. So really, I want you guys not to be using the double program. I want you to be using the modified program where 70% is going to be like 0.01, 0.02. I know none of you want to think or anything, but I'm like so sleepy. Golly, I can't even hit it right. I can't even hit it right. Um, you found out that the southern that accent draw, actually linguistics, no, language study find out that that draw, the country draw in the U.S. actually comes from Europe. So, but all right, zero. Whoops, I put O. 0.0. You get to 0.04, and then you're gonna change 0.07, 0.12, 0.20, and 0.34, 0.58, 0.99. Okay, that's going to be your 9x. Absolutely should not go beyond that. Like, it shouldn't go beyond that. Um, I mean, that's the worst. Out of 2 years doing this, 9x is rare, but 9x happens. Um, you don't want to be at 9x. That'll hurt you when you if you're doing a challenge. But I mean, if you're on a regular account, you're fine. But you have to modify it. So, and you want to keep this program. You don't want to move up in numbers. The only time you want to start with 0.01 is if you're trading an account that's 50,000 or more. All right. If you're trading an account that's, let's say, 10K, it's gonna make you in every 2 days you're hitting it, right? And you're using that pattern, not the double pattern, and it's going 9x every time. I mean, that's 18% per month, right? And then at 15K, you should make about 12 point, what I get in math, 12.6% return. At 20K, it goes 9.4%. 25K, it goes 7.5%. This is like the most you can make. I'm so sleepy. This is the most you can make. All right. Profitable every 2 days. 30K. You'll hit 6.3. So as you get bigger, it should be going down. All right. So by the time it gets below 5% return, you got to move it up a little bit. So you're going to modify with O2 and then you're going to stop your 9X, goes to 1.68. Oops, I thought I could highlight it. I don't know if it lets me do that. Oh, it just does the whole thing. It's not that. All right. So, um, that's the numbers that I want you guys using just to play it safe. I need you to play it safe. Comprende? Comprende.